Odyssey Ark how-to video. Welcome! Stage 2 is about completely mastering how to use the Odyssey Ark. Are you up for the challenge? Try selecting Home on the menu. That's the Odyssey Ark's home screen, the gaming hub. Well, shall we play with Ark Dial? You can use it to switch between different input devices. It's a good idea to get to know the side tab, which you can access from the gaming hub. Let's take a quick look at ambient mode. Wow, amazing! And now, it's game time! Various menus in the game bar will help you achieve the best gaming settings. If you like having a wide screen, try going for an ultra-wide aspect ratio of 32:9. Or you can come up with an in-depth strategy with mini-map zoom. Use the game bar to explore a world that you've never experienced before. Now that you've made it this far, I think it's time to call you an Odyssey Ark Master. You're doing great. You've cleared Stage 2.